Hello, welcome to my channel. This is actually an excuse for testing a new recording setup. See how it goes. Anyway, what are we doing? Installing Brave Browser. This is on Linux Mint, the newest version 22.3, and the default web browser included with it is Firefox, which is fine, but I prefer to use Brave. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to install Brave Browser if you didn't know. And first of all, you're going to need curl to actually download this. So let's do Control-C, put that in the terminal. Yes, we're not using an app store and we're not using anything else. We're using this password. Forgot about that. Okay, so that's installing curl. It's already on the newest version. So, okay, Linux Mint had curl already with it. So then we have to install these keyrings for the repository for Brave Browser. So Control-Shift-V. Put that in there, and then we have to put that into the list of repositories here. Control-C, Control-Shift-V. So that's in there now. And then you need to do sudo apt update to include that new repository. So let's do that. Shouldn't take too long, I hope. And the next thing will be install Brave Browser. Control-C. So let's wait for that updating to finish. Okay, don't worry about that. And do you want to continue? Yes. So this is installing Brave Browser now. It's downloading it first of all, then it won't install it. I like Brave Browser because it has a slightly better security features maybe than Firefox, and it has some ad blocking apparently, although I use a Pi-hole to block ads anyway, which is running on my server back there. If you wonder what the flashing lights are in the background, I can point to it. That's a Proxmox server where I run a lot of things, and I often use that in my videos when I say I'm running it on a server. That's where it's running, on a super micro small server, quiet one. Anyway, that is installed, so we should have Brave Browser on here. Now I'll just show you briefly how I like to set it up. And first thing to do is search for it. There it is, Brave Browser. I want to pin it to my panel, so it appears down there. Yep, start it up. Let's see what happens. Oh, not too bad. Let's just don't want to make it. Oh, I do actually want to make it the default. So let's do that. I want it in dark mode because I like dark mode. And sorry, I'm not very helpful, and I'm not very good at sending off that kind of data. So let's finish that. And then, oh, I don't like all this junk. Let's get rid of this. So I don't want a background image. I don't want the search bar. I don't want that stuff. So that's all gone away now, and I don't want these things either. So you click on here and say hide it, and that one, hide it, and this one, hide it. I really don't want to see these. Maybe you're interested in stats that show you how many trackers have been blocked, because this is what Brave does for you. It blocks trackers and things, but I don't need to be told every time it's done it. Once the novelty's worn off, let's make it a little bit bigger. The other thing I do is go into the settings, and there's not really much to change because already it continues where you left off when you close a browser, which Firefox doesn't do. You have to set that manually, otherwise you lose all your tabs, things you were looking at when you restart the browser. The only thing I do, which is also very unfriendly, is go into privacy and security and go down here and don't send daily usage pings to Brave. They've had one ping for every one of my browsers I've installed till I turn that off. So sorry about that. Actually, I don't use bookmarks. Can you imagine that? So let's just, I don't want tab groups either. I know they're wonderful and bookmarks are very useful, but I just like to have a bigger screen. Why is that not gone away? Bookmarks bar, never I meant. I just like more space on the screen to read what I'm looking at. So that's my kind of minimalist Brave Browser setup. And if you close it, it'll say 2 tabs open, close them all, don't ask me again. So there we are, that's how to install Brave Browser on Windows Mint very quickly from the command line, and hopefully that's not too painful. Stop.